Dearest darling, March is upon us, a point of perfect balance on the journey through the wheel of the year. Night and day, one of equal length and in perfect equilibrium, dark and light, masculine and feminine, inner and outer, in balance. The natural world is coming alive. The sun is gaining, and the days are becoming longer and warmer. The gentle whispered promise of Imolc is fulfilled in the evident and abundant fertility of the earth at Ostara. And thus, in search of inspiration, I once again turn to my true muse, the earth herself. Lucent sun over bosky fields reveals the newborn colors of gentle flowers. Accompanied by my friend, Mr. Charlie, we walked together, followed by the sound of birds, until inspiration came, and it was time for tea. With the pencils and paper nicely laid and the cup of tea at hand, I began to sketch. The slow creation begins with just a few lines, and as inspiration grows with each sip of tea, I start to imagine, what shall it be? And thus comes the fun part, picking colors from my stash with which I'll knit my first sample. Swatching is such fun, for I get to see my idea come to life for the first time. With sharpened needles out of case, so it begins. And as time goes by, and the sun sets down, I make my evening fire. With washing my swatch, I put my mind at rest, excitingly waiting to knit up my vest.
And so, stitch by stitch, and row by row, I watched my knitting grow.
Under candlelight, I cast off my final stitch. I broke off remaining yarn and looked upon my knitted ridge. It is time to weave my tales and end what I've begun, grateful to the month of March and the goddess of the spring, after whom I'll name this piece, Ostara in its gentle glory, to bring luck and joy to all those that are keen. Once again, I go outside to take pictures of what I've made, with a friend by my side. Up the hill we went. All that's left to do is write the pattern and set a date. In a day or few, 2nd of April, my pattern will go live for all to enjoy. Until then, yours truly, David.